Narrated by Talha bin Ubaidullah. A man from Najd with unkempt hair came to Allah's Apostle, and we heard his loud voice, but could not understand what he was saying, till he came near, and then we came to know that he was asking about Islam. Allah's Prophet ﷺ said, "You have to offer prayers perfectly, 5 times in a day and night." The man asked, "Is there any more praying?" Allah's Apostle replied, "No, but if you want to offer the Nawafil prayer, you can." Allah's Apostle further said to him, "You have to observe fast during the month of Ramadan." The man asked, "Is there any more fasting?" Allah's Apostle replied, "No, but if you want to observe the Nawafil fast, you can." Then Allah's Apostle further said to him, "You have to pay zakat, obligatory charity." The man asked, "Is there any other than the zakat for me to pay?" Allah's Apostle replied, "No, unless you want to give charity of your own." And then the man retreated by saying, "By Allah, I will do neither less or more than this." Allah's Apostle said, "If what he said is true, then he will be successful," means he will be granted paradise. Hadith number 46, Sahih Bukhari.